Your credit score is among the most important measures of your financial fiscal viability. Your credit score informs lenders how responsibly you utilize credit in one simple look. The higher your credit score, the easier it'll be for you to get accepted for additional loans or lines of credit. Matter of fact, a higher credit score might also help you get the best possible interest rates when borrowing. If you have a good credit score, you'll almost always qualify for the best interest rates and you'll pay lower finance charges on credit card balances and loans. And the good thing is that the less money you pay in interest, the faster you'll pay off the debt and the more money you have for other expenses. So building your credit and a great credit score takes some effort and obviously patience. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can build your credit without getting into debt. Usually consumers will choose to raise their credit score when they're about to apply for credit or after they've been denied a credit card, loan, or lease. In these cases, you want to establish your credit as soon as possible. Now, while there is no quick remedy for bad credit, I am going to tell you how the Extra debit card can help you on your credit journey. Now, on top of that, guys, be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to get a few extra tips to help build your credit score. Alright, so now I'm going to talk about the benefits of Extra debit card to help you build your credit. So the thing I love about the Extra debit card is that it allows you to build credit without the dangers and limitations associated with secured credit cards. But you may be wondering, how can a debit card help you build credit and earn rewards in the same way that a credit card does? Well, to answer your question, you sign up by securely linking your bank account and get a credit limit depending on your cash amount. Now, all of your transactions are reported to the credit agencies as a credit-worthy payment at the end of the month. This works exactly as a credit card would. So guys, Extra makes it simple and stress-free for consumers to establish or enhance their credit. So you can sign up for an Extra debit card to enjoy all of the benefits of a credit card without worries. Matter of fact, you may save hundreds of dollars in interest, improve your credit score, and reduce your stress by not going into debt. Alright, so now I'm going to cover some additional details on how it works. Extra debit card functions by linking your current bank account. Extra does not do a credit check, but instead bases your spending limit on your existing bank balance. So Extra sums up all of your activities at the end of the month and sends the total to all the major credit agencies. Alright, so now I want to discuss some of the pros of having the Extra debit card. So their debit card does offer a few distinguishing characteristics that may encourage you to create an account. The first thing is that it allows you to improve your credit. Every purchase you make with your Extra card helps you develop credit, and there's no chance of accruing interest or going into debt. Now, the next thing is that there is no credit check. So again, guys, you receive most of the benefits of a credit card without having a credit inquiry on your record. Now, on top of that, guys, you have the ability to earn prizes. So unlike a regular debit card from like a Bank of America, a Chase, or any other bank, this one accumulates points that may be used in Extra's reward shop. According to a customer service representative, most members earn up to 1% back on most transactions. Now, on top of that, it really is a virtual card. So the Extra card is a virtual card. While it may take up to 10 business days to get your card, you may begin using your virtual card right away. The usage of a virtual card is a far more convenient alternative to the use of cash and checks. And it also provides you with direct access to money in your operational or wallet account. So it is a very safe, simple, most convenient, and secure method of payment. Alright, the next best thing is that it already connects to an existing account. So to utilize Extra, you don't need to create a new bank account. It operates by linking to your existing bank account. Alright guys, so now we'll discuss some of the cons of Extra debit card. So before you run out and create an account with Extra, you should be aware of several important disadvantages. So there is a monthly charge. It is not free. Now, most regular debit cards with fees will give you an opportunity to waive them, but this one does not. The credit building plan costs $8 per month, while the credit building plus reward plan costs $12 per month. Now, it's important to know that reward options are limited. You only get $3 in rewards for every $5 you spend, and you can only use them in Extra store. There is no ATM access. The Extra debit card has no ATM access that allows you to withdraw money and do other activities without having to swipe or enter your debit card. So instead of requiring a card, these ATMs utilize various forms of technology to connect to your phone's mobile app to the ATM's card reader. After passing additional security procedures, you'll be allowed to do business as if you had entered a card. Alright, so support is minimal. The only option to reach Extra is through the website or app's live chat. Now, despite the fact that the support options are limited, I actually did contact Extra 3 times and I did receive a prompt response each time. Alright guys, with that being said, here are a few other tips to improve your credit score. So one option is to request a secured credit card. So with a minimum payment of let's say $600, you may be able to get a secured credit card. Now, most secured credit cards have a limit of less than $600, but if you pay your bills on time and don't spend your security money, you can start to establish your trustworthiness with the lenders. Now, another credit technique is to become a certified user. So a certified user is someone who has been added to a credit card account that already exists. The card's history will display on your credit report once you become a certified user. Now, by using this technique, your credit score may improve if the primary cardholder has made on-time payments and keeps a low balance. Another option is to try to pay off whatever obligations you already own. So if you have a lot of debt, continue to make on-time payments and do your best to reduce your overall debt load. By doing this, you will gradually improve your credit score. You can minimize the number of loan accounts with open balances by merging or refinancing those accounts. By doing this, your credit score will almost certainly rise as a result. Now, another option is to fill out an application for a credit building loan. A credit builder loan is designed for those who don't wish to get a credit card and don't have any credit history. So rather than getting the funds immediately, you make a monthly payment to the lender. And when the term is over, you will be refunded the amount that you paid. Now here's another option, but use it sparingly. You can increase your credit limit by requesting it. So you can contact your credit card company to seek an increase in your credit limit. Before accepting the amount, your lender may perform a credit check, which can lower your score by up to 5 points. You will destroy the objective of this technique if you decide to misuse or abuse your new credit line. Now another option is to add to your credit portfolio. So if you have accounts that are in good standing, you could try to get additional credit cards, or you can try to get a loan. A credit builder loan might be a great low-cost choice. Check that the loan you're thinking about getting reports to all of these credit agencies. Alright, so although your credit score is only one aspect of your financial strength, it may have a significant influence on your money and life. Keep in mind, guys, whenever you request credit, a low credit score might result in increased borrowing rates and fees, as well as the possibility of being denied entirely. Now, if your credit score is in the low or fair category, you may be eligible to secure loans with better rates and conditions if you follow all of the steps outlined in this video. Keep in mind that most credit cards may help you create credit over time, either by making it easier to get accepted or providing unique credit building benefits. Alright, that's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.